So we are in the mountain of Siloah. Oh, okay, beautiful. Also, we are seeing over Tantan. It's beautiful. Beautiful scenery over Siloah. So anybody don't know what Siloah? Me gonna left you know me a walk. Anybody don't know what Siloah? See Siloah, yeah? You know come. Siloah, beautiful Siloah. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. We have night fever, people, over the hills and valley. I not see good. You can't feel the people. But I'm not going to a good scenery. For sure. Chicken no come. I'm not good. I say I can go up here so. Yes. Over there, the people. And see how Siloah pretty. And no come. Sikiara come, no come. See the people. Here I have the blue sky. Then, oh gee. Blue sky, guys. Remember to like, see our Siloah there. You have to say Tantan, not Siloah. So me there Siloah. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tiffy! What me I call? Remember because yes. Farmer, look how nice. Look how girl nice. Look how girl. Oh, I'm just a compound. Look how nice. Come, and say hello to my fans.
Hello.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
You look at YouTube, yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. I'm nice, no? I'm nice. Nobody can tell me I'm not nice.
Come and have.
Alright, what's those?
Limestone.
So see, they have some big limestone. Dirty. Oh yeah, something here this side, no? Broke me ass.
No, you're not coming here. Look over there, so where someone can come from. Okay, a piece of abundance. Wait, what? All you do is just
Looks like I'm busy that way.
wait. Oh, look at this.
You want to catch in on this, yeah?
That look nice.
Yeah, the pink. But me not catch it. Hold on.